Another family awaits my help. Another family awaits help. Another family awaits my help, so let's take a look.
Hi, we're the
Santa
Claus family.
Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane.
I'm Lou.
I'm the father.
And we have 2 children. Our daughter is Kate.
And our son Brandon, who is 11.
How many times have I told you not to lock the freaking door?
And I'm a software engineer who works.
Although Ken is physically here, he's not physically here.
冰淇淋
Your feet out of my ears.
We're gonna. I would say the biggest issue with Brandon is angst.
When did homework become negotiable?
I feel that I have given up.
Everybody hurt.
Hello. Hi, pleased to meet you, Sylvia. Good.
Hi, Joe. How are you?
Hi, Kim. Very well, thank you.
Nice
Pleased
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you.
Oh, I liked her from the beginning.
If I was an octopus and I could have 8 hands, everything would be great.
Once we returned from the school, the children's disrespect continued.
God, whoa!
That's quite typical, is it? To get this first.
All the time.
The way Kayla disrespects her mum is troubling enough, but then both kids decided to ignore mum when she wanted them to do their homework.
Hello. You do it at 9 o'clock. Why? What? 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 It's 8:40. What is happening between now and 9 o'clock? That you can't do homework. I want to do homework.
After watching these kids treat their mum like a doormat, I thought to myself, at what point is Dad going to step in?
And enter the ergonomic door, or
How can homework be a priority? Let me start off with the first thing that I have noticed, okay? And the first thing I want to talk about here is time management. Where is your daily routine?
Right now, it's entirely all over the map.
You just fly right by. You just get through another day.
Oh, well, who's going to write that out? The kids? I mean, seriously, if you would just accept the time that you have and recognise the times that the kids are at school and what you have to do within that day and allocate sufficient amount of time, you would not be sitting here feeling like a failure. You would not be sitting here feeling like a failure because you can't function.
Wait.
It's time for me to go home now.
Right now?
Yeah. Homework went really well, and so I knew it was time for me to leave the Claus family. Don't get me wrong, this family still have a lot of work to do. However, I do know that they've learned enough to continue the progress that they've been making. I want a big group hug from all of you.
I think JoJo's really helped my mom.
Bye, Joe.
Bye-bye. Your mum. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.
Here comes Santa
Claus.